Howdy folks, this is a new customer requested product. It's a holster for the Leatherman bit kit set. So you can hold up to 20 Leatherman bits along with the eyeglass screwdriver, dock it with your tool, and as with all my holsters, it's available with multiple belt options and multiple side options. So you see the four seen here, and I'll show how those work, along with the slim option if you don't want the side accessories. So first off, it can hold 1 or 2 Leatherman blades. It'll hold 1 just as secure as 2, so you don't have to worry about losing one of your blades while you're using the other. And then it undocks with just a flick of the bottom, and then comes out nice and easy. On the side, you can have a holster for the Leatherman ratchet driver, the bit extender, or you could dock the 711L flex head. No rattling again, even with the flex head. On the other side, you can hold the 711L, or you can dock a long bit, or you can hold the Volti switch in this spot here. You can choose to have those options on both sides, or 2 bit extender grips, or no grip at all. And then this is like the third party, which allows you to attach third-party belt clips, such as Tech Lock, or you can get a built-in belt loop for different options, as well as horizontal or scout carry. This is available on my website now, zapwizard.com. And then if you're curious, this yellow is actually the limited edition insiders kind of gift from Leatherman. And then the orange piece on top is from Christian Van Patten, and that's a fire starter kit that is also a hinge. Absolutely wonderful product, I recommend. So again, zapwizard.com. Thanks for watching.